The add-on headrest is the only auto cushion capable of reducing whiplash injury resulting from a car accident. Ergonomically designed, it works with and attaches directly to the headrest in your car, van, or truck. The add-on headrest's unique wedge shape fills the gap between you and your car seat. The orthopedic-grade cushion gives you full support and relaxes sore muscles in the neck, shoulders, and lower back, helping to reduce fatigue and tension while you drive. In the April 2011 issue of the Traffic Injury Prevention Journal, it was found that most subjects had an average head restraint distance that exceeded the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and the Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard Guidelines, indicating that most drivers may be at risk for whiplash injuries if exposed to a rear impact while driving.
Make sure that they're high enough and close enough to the back of the head that they would protect taller occupants. We then do a sled test to see how well the seat would perform in an actual crash. In the Institute sled test, the sled and the seat and the dummy are accelerated forward as they would be in a typical rear impact. What we mimic is an impact between a stationary vehicle that is struck by a vehicle doing about 20 miles an hour from behind. What we're looking for are seat backs that don't push too hard on the body and for head restraints that catch the head quickly. What we don't want is for the head to lag behind the body so that the neck has to do all the work of pulling the head along. Your neck wasn't built to do that, and that's how whiplash injury can occur.
The collision speed in nearly 80% of rear impact whiplash injuries occurs within only a 6 to 12 mile per hour range. About 25 to 50% of whiplash injuries fail to resolve completely, with a fairly large percentage of individuals having symptoms on a permanent basis. 10% of whiplash patients will have disability. A pre-existing condition that involves the spine will most likely have a negative influence regarding severity of the injury and the long-term consequences. Conditions like spinal stenosis, arthritis, disc problems, previous whiplash injuries or sprain-strain neck injuries, and previous spinal surgery will, in many cases, increase the extent of damage, complicate healing, and prolong the need for care. Whiplash injuries are complicated and are associated with many factors in addition to neck pain. Preventing or reducing the severity of the initial injury is very important. The add-on headrest is designed to help prevent the severity of neck injury and the many complications that result in human suffering and the significant financial costs to society. Independent testing by Texas A&M's Accident Reconstruction Program identified remarkable results using the add-on headrest in low-impact rear-end crash tests. In comparative tests using human volunteers and multitudes of scientific equipment, a 73% decrease of head angular acceleration and a 38% reduction of the resultant linear head acceleration were documented when using the add-on headrest. The add-on headrest is handmade in the USA using high-quality materials and an orthopedic-grade foam. It weighs less than 1 pound and is easy to install with the adjustable strap to fit most vehicles. It is available in a variety of quality cloth covers. The add-on headrest is also available in fine leather for increased durability. For comfort and safety, use the physician-approved, crash-tested, patented add-on headrest, effective for reducing the severity and duration of whiplash injuries in the event of an auto accident.